Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg broth. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large, fresh eggs for every 2 cups of your favorite broth, whether it's chicken, vegetable, or beef. Also, have your seasonings ready, such as salt, pepper, and perhaps some soy sauce. Don't forget a small bowl and a whisk. These are crucial for preparing the eggs properly before adding them to the simmering broth. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's prepare those eggs. Crack 2 large eggs directly into your small bowl. Using your whisk, beat them vigorously for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. The goal is to achieve a light, frothy consistency with no distinct egg white streaks remaining. This thorough whisking is key to creating those beautiful, delicate egg ribbons in your broth. A well-whisked egg mixture will disperse evenly and cook quickly, enhancing the texture of your final dish. With your eggs ready, it's time to combine them with the broth. First, bring 2 cups of your chosen broth to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It should be hot but not boiling rapidly. Now, here's the trick. Slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the simmering broth in a thin stream. As you pour, continuously stir the broth in one direction with a fork or chopsticks. This motion helps create those lovely, delicate egg strands that define egg broth. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious egg broth. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. You might also consider a splash of soy sauce for an umami boost. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish your warm broth with some freshly chopped green onions or a few drops of toasted sesame oil. Serve this comforting and easy-to-make egg broth immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.